Vibrational frequency is real because everything vibrates. To increase your vibrational state, you need to do things that increase your vibration. Who you spend your time with, who you share your energy with. You can have low vibrational frequency habits, lust and ungratitude, self-pity, or shame. So if you're feeling these states, you are vibrating at a lower frequency. On a higher frequency, you have love, gratitude. Isn't that the best time you feel?
See, it's all about the mind. It's your marvelous mind. You have one. Now, you may be looking at your results today and you may think, well, I've never really done anything. But you can. Start now. Just start now. Don't think you can't. Understanding the laws governing the mind. If you want to harmonize with the money frequency, it's your mind. That's what you're going to do. You're not going to do it with your arm, your leg. Doesn't matter how physically strong you are. You're doing this mentally.
If you are happy, then you are going to bring money into your life. The shortcut to the secret is be happy now. And if you're happy now, you're going to attract everything that makes you happy. And what makes you happy? Not a lack of money, but more money. If you're somebody who wants financial freedom, you can have it.
All right, we're going to start with the 30. So the new month high for the 30 is 42,166.3. The low is 41,687.9. Look like the 30 made like a breaker structure on this monthly chart. So we got the high 42,166.3, the low 41,687.9, the mid at 41,927.1. For the week, and for the weekly, the monthly high and the weekly high is the same, so I'm not going to change that. And for the weekly low is 41,857.8. Got 42,166.3. 42,166. And the low of 41,857.8. So our midweek is 42,0,112.1. So we got the 30 right now consolidating at the monthly high. The monthly weekly high right now. Gonna move over and mark the NAS. Oh, we got the monthly high at 21,315.30. And we got the monthly low at 20,152.03. $21,315.30 for the high. For the low, 20,152.03. And our midweek is 20,733.67. The monthly and the weekly high is the same. And the weekly low is 29,209.43. $21,315.30 for the high. The low, 20,929.43. And the midweek is 21,122.37. Also got the NAS rejecting from the mid-month high right here. If it doesn't break this midsection, this would be where I'm looking to take the buy at the midweek in the morning for NAS. I just wanted a little bit under that order block. The stop underneath that order block. And your take profit will be to the weekly high. It may likely break that weekly high. It's definitely probably gonna break that weekly high. But your first take profit level will be the weekly high. If you hold it for longer, secure profits and set your stop into profit. But for US 30, it's looking like it's bouncing off the mid-month area right here and not the midweek. This will be where you want to take your entry, especially because that level is at the order block area and it is at a strong support area. And yeah, you would take it to the weekly high. But right now, this is all like consolidation from the end of the month. That's what that's showing over there. Go over to gold. Hey, Jazz. Just deleting the previous week markings. Oh, the monthly high for gold is 3316.77. The monthly low is 3165.19. So we have the high 33,016.77. The low 3,165. And 19 cents. Giving us a mid-month area of 32.40 and 99 cents. Same thing here, the weekly and the monthly highs the same. The weekly low is 32.89.24. High 31.16. 33.16, sorry. 33.16 for the high. .66. We got the low at 32.89 and 21 cents. Midweek area 3,300 and 2 and 94 cents. So we got gold still moving up. in the upward direction. This is my target for gold to the next order block. Because this here, you gotta buy order block here. Last candle, change the direction. And this is a buy order block here as well. And this up here. Is a sell order, is a bearish order block. So this could be like a TP1. And into this order block would be TP2. Which you may see some rejection at this order block period. And this would be a take profit too for gold. Now go ahead. TP2 is up here into this order block. But once it come into like the TP1 level area, move your stop into profit. I'm gonna mark Bitcoin. The monthly high for Bitcoin is 105,937 and 46 cents. And the monthly low is 94,291 and 13 cents. So we got 105,937 and 46 cents. For the low, we got 94,307. No, 94,291, sorry. 191 and 13 cents. For the monthly low, giving us a mid-month resistance of 100,114 and 30 cents. And our weekly high, 105,788 and 12 cents. And our weekly low is 105,275 and 1 cent. And we got the 105,788 and 12 cents. The low, 105,275 and 1 cent. Giving us a mid-month of 105 and 531 and 57 cents. Think it's gonna come down some more. I will wait for Bitcoin to pull back. One order block here. Another one right here. Got one order block down here. And one right here. Bitcoin to pull back too. and Bitcoin is below the midweek and it looked like it's not that it will likely make another low before it makes another before it pulls back up. GJ, next. Monthly high for GJ is 193,835. The monthly low is 192.48. $193,835 for the high. For the low, 192,208. Giving us a mid-month area of resistance of 193.022. For the weekly, and the monthly high and the weekly is the same. And the monthly low is, the weekly low is 193.453. Got the weekly high, 193.835. Weekly low, 193.453. Giving us a midweek resistance of 193.644. GJ coming out of an bullish, bearish order block. Oh, a bearish order block. And this is one right here. So I will wait for a candle confirmation for a close below this midweek for GJ to continue to sell. stop will be set above the weekly high. I mean the midweek resistance. That will be a TP1. And that would be a TP2 for DJ. This is where DJ is headed into this buy order block here. This is a strong buy order block, so we'll definitely have to break this resistance. I wouldn't suggest holding it past this resistance. I will let it break it first before I enter, because it has to come past this resistance before it turns around on GJ. I'm gonna mark up the DXY because we're trading gold. And if the dollar index is selling like it's doing, then gold will be buying. We got the high, the month on this at 101.995. And the low is 99.112. But the dollar index is not, so this means the dollar is not even worth the whole dollar right now. We got 101.995. Then the low at 99.112. And the mid-month, is 100.554. The weekly high is 99.843. Weekly low and the monthly low is the same. Got the high at 843 and the low at 99.112. Giving a midweek resistance of 99.477. We got a whole candle close below below the midweek. Also coming out of a bearish order block. So we could be looking for gold. You can anticipate the buy for gold. And the dollar might drop into here, into this order block here. So gold might turn around for a sell sometime this week if the dollar buys from here. Gotta see what happened at that level. So it might definitely make it low. Oh, buying. And the dollar index is pulling back up on me. So we're gonna be looking at a buy for US30. Wait for in session before you take any trade. Don't trade out of session. Same thing for NAS. We're looking for NAS to continue in the direction of US30. We're looking for a buy for US30 and NAS. I am looking for Bitcoin to buy, but see how it already just made a new low here. But I'm looking for it by New York session to be buying. It already made a new low. That's not even, it already made a new low. So it's still pulling back. I'm probably gonna update the chart for Bitcoin when it's finished making this low. Once it rejects, put the new low in and adjust the chart. But it's still pulling back. For GJ, I'm looking for GJ to continue selling down to the mid-month area, mid-month resistance. It may go past that, but that's my profit target for GJ. I want y'all to have a profitable week this week, okay? Whatever you think to be true is gonna be true. If you think you're a winner, you're gonna win, okay? I win when I know I'm gonna win, because most of the shit I do, I win at, okay? So if you think you're gonna win this week, you're gonna win. If you think you're gonna come out on top this week, that's what's gonna happen. Whatever you believe to be true for yourself, that's what's gonna happen, okay? So you gotta keep a focus on your win. You gotta keep a focus on the desired results that you're looking to have this week, okay? Stay positive, stay focused, journal, okay? And let's get money this week, okay?
Okay, let's get this money.
Let's go.